Sunday morning. Mike and I are just driving to Chris Wathen's place. He lives in Evansville, Indiana, on the other side of the levee. And he's got a magnificent collection of four-wheel drive tractors. He's got semi-trucks. He's got vintage fire trucks. He's got a lot of really cool machinery. So if you've ever been on I-69 coming through Evansville, he is just south of Green River Road. And sometimes you can see the tractors from the highway if you know where to look. So it's just right at the intersection of Green River and the spur is what we call it. So I'll do a few videos, but this is we just got here, so this is the first that we've seen. Some of these have been in some other publications, tractor publications, so you may recognize a few of these. I did a story on that Big Bud. I actually drove that too. His collection has really grown. Over here you don't see many of these, the Wagners. So it looks like he's got 3 now. I can't tell. Looks like he's got signs on all of them too. Sorry about that. So there's one. I'm pretty sure we did a story on this one a long time ago when we had Vintage Tractor Digest. I think that might be another one over there. Let's look. Yep, sure is. All right, we got 3 of them. 3. And a couple more Wagners. 2 more, they're orange. One's a 17 and one's a 14. Well, I found all of the Wagners. These are all Wagner tractors. Wow, I think when I met Chris, he had 2, maybe 3 of them. I had no idea that all these existed. Well, they're not all. A good majority of them are, it looks like. I'll walk down the middle. There's a bunch of them though. Still Wagners. Yep, they are all Wagners. And that Alice Chalmers over there, I didn't think it was, but it is also. Yeah, this is really something. Mike's running. You can stay. Don't leave.